Ino niyo mbica iria yuma kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta riria family ya Mugweru iguthiite gutunga umwe wao. Mwaka-ini wa 1973 niguo Mugweru uria ni ithe wa ciana ithatu ombukire na ndege akerekera bururi wa Amerika gwetha umatho na undu uria aria metanitio matoi ni ati ni magutura miaka na miaka matari mamuona otiga kwaraniria na thimu miaka ya thutha-ini.
I have 3 children, a girl and 2 boys. For the grandchildren, you never know. If you are not with them for a year or 2 years, you never know how many you have.
Mugweru augite ati ruraya ni ahotire guthomera wira wa utaramu wa uthuthuria wa laboratory na agicoka akihikia mutumia wa kuma bururi wa Amerika thutha wake gutigana na mutumia wake wa mbere mu Kenya.
Then I started working at the hospital because I wanted to become a doctor, but I could not do it because of the chemistry. Then from there, I worked in hospital, laboratory, and so on. Then I was married the second time.
Ndanahitha gikeno giake kuonana na aria metanitio, Mugweru augite ati mbica ya bururi wa Kenya Amerika ni njega, akiongerera ati ni akuoya ihinda gukura na mogaruruku maria mari guku bururi-ini ni gukorwo atigire bururi utathiite na mbere ta uria utarie ihinda-ini riri.
Doesn't matter whether it's language or some kind of profession, you forget. And you may not forget all of it, but you forget 50%, 60%, 70%, then you end up being unable even to do anything in that profession.
Aria metanitio maugite gikeno kiao gitire githimi na oroho makagia na ihinda ria gucokeria Ngai ngatho.
Erega guku 74 na riu ndi arokire no ni muru wa nyina na no hatiri ungi koguo riria ndikimuonete uguo ri kaigwagia bara.
Tweriganite nake mwaka wa 1973 niguo kite guku na kuma hindi yo ndari acoka. Ni undu ucio muthenya wa umuthi ni muthenya munene hari ithue na nikio murona tukenete u twina mihango ya kuruga ona ni tuthinjite nigetha tumukaribishe tukite kanene na kanini ithuothe ni undu wa gukena
na kuona ati kuri andu mari mutugo wa kwaga gucoka na mucii mathie mabururi ma nanja, family ya Mugweru ndiagite motaro.
Mimi ningewaambia Mungu awasaidie sana waweze kurudi katika nchi yao ya kwanza, pali walitoka na pali walisaliwa na pali ya watoto yao.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Maina.